Okay, let's take a screenshot. I always call it a snippet, which that's what it is. So you take a SNIP, went down here to the start menu, typed snip, and there's the snipping tool. Okay, this little window moves out of the way so you can get it to the exact place where you want it. I'm going to go ahead and click new. The screen turns white. And I just go ahead and get the crosshairs and click, hold, drag, and choose what you want to copy. And you release. Oops, I'm going to do it again because I got the screen line at the bottom. So I'm going to click new. Screen turns white again. You click, you hold, you drag. Make sure you get what you want. Release. That looks better. Okay, so now you just go File, Save As, and you call it Froggy. And that is how you use the snipping tool. There is another video that you can watch if you have a Chromebook because it is slightly different. And I will include that in the link. Have a good day.